torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Murray County in northwestern Georgia, southeastern Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Dalton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dalton, Rocky Face, and Tilton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.